Hi there, this is Dr. Terry Myckatyn. I'm a professor of plastic and reconstructive surgery at the Washington University School of Medicine in St. Louis, Missouri, and the director of breast reconstruction at the Alvin J. Siteman Cancer Center, also in St. Louis. I'm really excited to invite you to the 9th International Breast Surgery Workshop and 5th World Consensus Conference on BIA-ALCL, which will be hosted in Rome, Italy on April 19th and 20th, 2024. This year, you could also follow this wonderful educational experience virtually by going to the conference website link at www.ibsw.it. And you can do that if you can't make it in person. Personally, I will be speaking on 2 topics. One will be on the pathogenesis of BIA-ALCL as one of several speakers. My talk will be etitled Implant Blame or Surgeon Shame, Particulate versus Biofilm Theory. Well, I'll cover some of the latest literature on the etiology of BIA-ALCL, whether that be linked to particulates or to bacteria or other types of biofilms. And then my other talk will be entitled Uncommon BIA-ALCL Presentations, Maximizing Prompt Diagnosis and Treatment. Thank you.